Find the HCF of 25, 38 by EDL, short form of Euclid's division lemma, or sometimes it is also mentioned as Euclid's division. So first let us do normal division for the numbers 25 and 38. So 25 ones are 25. Doing subtraction, 8 minus 5, 3, 3 minus 2, 1, 13. Now this we need to write it in the form of A equals to BQ plus R. This is nothing but dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This is dividend 38 equals to divisor into quotient 25 into 1 plus remainder. This is the remainder 13. Now from this we need to pick the divisor and remainder, and we need to continue the division process again. So here 25 and 13, right? So 13 and 25. 13 ones are 13. Subtraction, 5 minus 3, 2, 2 minus 1, 1. Again this we need to write in the form of A equals to BQ plus R. That is nothing but dividend is equals to divisor into quotient. Dividend 25 equals to divisor into quotient 13 ones are plus remainder 12. Now again from this divisor 13 and remainder 12 we need to pick, and we need to do the division again. 12 and 13. 12, 13. 12 ones are 12. Subtracting 13 minus 12, 1. Again this we need to write in the form of dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Here dividend is 13 equals to divisor into quotient 12 into 1 plus remainder 1. Now again from this divisor and remainder we need to take, and we need to do division of it. So 1 and 12. 1 and 12. If we do division, 1 12s are 12. 12 minus 12, 0 is the remainder. So now this also if we write it in the form of A equals to BQ plus R, dividend 12 equals to divisor into quotient 1 into 12 plus remainder, that is 0. So whenever we get the remainder 0, we need to stop the process there. So after getting the remainder 0, we need to check what is the divisor in that step. In this case the divisor is 1 when we got the remainder 0. So this divisor is our HCF. So that is nothing but 1. HCF of 25, 38 is 1. Coming to the next question. Find the HCF of 28, 32 by Euclid's division lemma or Euclid's division or simply EDL. So for the first numbers 28 and 32, let us do division. 28 and 32. 28 ones are 28. 32 minus 28, 4. So let us write this in the form of A equals to BQ plus R, or else dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. A equals to BQ plus R. So here dividend 32 equals to divisor into quotient, that is 28 into 1 plus remainder 4. Now from this step we need to pick the divisor and remainder, and we need to do the division again. So here divisor is 28 and remainder is 4. So let us do division of these two numbers, 4 and 28. 4 sevens are 28. 28 minus 28, 0. Let us write this again in the form of dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Dividend 28 equals to divisor into quotient, that is 4 into 7 plus remainder 0. So whenever we get the remainder 0, we will stop the process there. So here also we got the remainder 0, then we need to stop the process here. Now after getting the 0 remainder, we need to check what is the divisor in that step. So here divisor is 4, then that divisor is nothing but our HCF. So HCF of 28 comma 32 is 4. Find the HCF and LCM of 14 comma 16 by prime factorization. In the previous two questions, we did HCF only, that too by Euclid's division process. Now in this case, HCF as well as LCM both we need to find out, that too by prime factorization method. So here the given numbers are 14 and 16. First for the number 14, let us do prime factorization. 2 7s are 14. Then coming to the 16. 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. Now let us write this clearly. 14 equals to 2 into 7, 16 equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Now we need to write HCF as well as LCM. Not to have any confusion, first always go with the HCF, then after come to the LCM. Now first for HCF, number should be common in both. Here 2 is there, here 2 is there. So except 2, no other number is common. Then HCF will become 2. Next coming to the LCM. Now in the LCM, first write the common number, that is 2 into. Now whatever the extra numbers are there, write all those extra numbers. Here extra 7 is there, so into 7, into here extra 2 is there, so into 2, into here extra 2 is there, into 2, into here extra 2 is there, 2. So now this will become our LCM. 2 7s are 14, 14 2s are 28, 28 2s are 56, 56 2s are 112. So 112 is the LCM of the given two numbers 14 and 16. Find the HCF and LCM of 13 comma 15 by prime factorization. So first 13, if we do prime factorization, 13 itself is a prime number only, so it will come in only 13 table. So 13 was a 13. Next coming to the second number 15, 3 5 is 15. Now let us write this clearly. 13 equals to 13 into 1. Then 15 is equals to 3 into 5. Now, if we observe these two, and from this we need to write HCF as well as LCM, right? So let us check then how to write that one. In the prime factorization of 13 as well as 15, just remove this into 1 because into 1 is not a prime number. Okay, now 13 can be written as 13 only and 15 can be written as 3 into 5, right? Now to write the HCF, first we will check for the common. In this, nothing is common in both. So that is the reason HCF we need to write it as 1, because 1 is a factor for every number. So in this case, if we don't have any common number, then we need to write the common number as 1, that is nothing but HCF. Then what about the LCM now? Remaining all extra numbers we need to write. Here 13 is extra, so write the 13 into here 3 is extra, write that 3 into here 5 is extra, write that 5 also. So we will remains with 13 into 3 into 5. 13 3s are 39, 39 5s are 195. So the LCM of the given numbers is 195.